Women and high blood pressure. This is a combination that doesn't get spoken about enough, but it should, because the risk factors in women are different and they keep changing as per the stage of their lives. Hi, I'm Dr. Amrita Limaye. I'm an interventional cardiologist at HVS Hospitals, and today I want to talk about hypertension and how it relates to a woman's life. The first thing I want to talk about is pregnancy and high blood pressure. There are two ways in which pregnancy and high blood pressure can coexist. First is what we call chronic hypertension, or when a woman has hypertension before pregnancy or develops it before 20th weeks of pregnancy. The second is gestational hypertension, or when a woman develops hypertension after the 20 weeks of pregnancy. Why this is important is for several reasons. First, high blood pressure during pregnancy increases the risk of complications like preeclampsia and eclampsia, which can be fatal for the baby and for the mother. Because of this, the woman requires more frequent follow-ups and tight control of her blood pressure during pregnancy. The second reason why this is important is because of the medications. The medicines that we commonly use for hypertension are not all suitable to be used during pregnancy. Ideally, these medicines should be made compatible with pregnancy before the pregnancy itself, if a woman already has hypertension or as soon as the woman gets pregnant. The third reason why this is important is because hypertension during pregnancy increases a woman's risk of hypertension and cardiovascular problems later on in life, even if the blood pressure normalizes or resolves after the pregnancy is over. Another aspect of a woman's life that commonly is associated with hypertension is menopause. During menopause, the normal hormonal protection that keeps a woman's blood vessels supple and keeps her blood pressure low ends. Because of this, the symptoms like dizziness, loss of sleep, headaches, fatigue, which are commonly misconstrued for menopause, may also be because of uncontrolled hypertension, and it may be hard to tell the difference. So if you are a woman in any age or stage of life and are struggling with high blood pressure, do consult your doctor and do ensure regular follow-up to keep your heart health under check. Thank you.